Hey guys, Zach Bartle here at Bowling RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today we're going to take a look at the Cherokee Alpha Wolf Touring Edition 17 MKE. Let's take a look. As we get up into the front here, first thing you're going to see is this beautiful giant pass-through storage here. Right below that, big boy jacks in the front and in the back. Keeps this thing nice and sturdy if you're walking around in it. As we get into the front here, two 20-pound propane tanks which get filled upon purchase from us, along with battery installation, box, and wiring done for you. Right in the front too, power tongue jack here, which is going to be nice. If the battery's dead, I believe there is an option on there to manually crank it down. Another nice feature is this rock guard here. If you're heading down a dirt road, you ain't going to have to worry about scratching up your camper too much with that guard there for you. Come to this side of the pass-through storage. You got a nice battery disconnect right there. Easy access. Lights in your storage as well. On this side, you're going to run into a slide as well. Opens up that living area. I believe on the inside there, it's going to be the couch that we'll see here in a couple minutes. Right down here, you got your sewer connection there, your drains. They're not underneath the slide, which is kind of a nice addition, just because, you know, I hate to be crawling under that trying to drain my camper and I'm leaving for the campsite there. City water connection, fresh water connection. You got an outside light here as well. Outside shower. Here's the rest of those jacks there. This is where your Stinky Slinky will go. 30 amp connection. Nice grate in the back here for putting any type of cooler or easy access items you might want when you're heading to the campsite, so you ain't gotta stop, open up the camper and get on inside. Spare tire. Up above, we are prepped for backup cam and a purchasable ladder to get to roof access there. Got your hot water heater. Step back a little bit here so you guys can see the awning. Nice blue LEDs right above, right outside the exit here. Nice big fireside windows. It's also ready for cable TV hookup outside, along with your plugins right below that, for a TV or maybe a waffle maker, however you guys like to do things. Along with your LP connection down here, maybe need a Coleman grill hookup. Nice little addition too on these tires here. The air valve here, if your tires are too low and you look at that from an angle there, it's going to look red, letting you know that your tires don't have enough air in them. Nice little addition too is going to be these solid steps. You ain't going to have to worry about rocking the camper if you're trying to walk up into it. Let's get inside here. It's getting a little chilly out. First thing to our right, as you can see, plenty of storage along the side of the bed here with plugins for phones, whatever you might need. There is a Murphy bed right back here. This couch kind of lays down, bed comes right down, which is going to be nice because you can get access to both sides of the bed without having to crawl over anybody. There's that couch I was talking about that's in that slide. It is heated, it is massaging, and these cup holders do light up when it gets turned on. With a little bit of storage there. There's your furnace controls there, a couple little hangers. As we turn around here, you're going to have your TV mount right there. Also, all your controls here. Right in one easy spot for your slide, for your awning, for your lights. As you can see here, plenty of counter space. I mean, you have no problem getting two people working in the kitchen here if need be. Nice big sink. These newer ones come with a nice cup washer there. You just push the cup down on there, and as you can see, the water comes right out. Here we're going to have 3 burner stove with an oven down below, which is going to make that nice. Plenty of storage down here and above, with your microwave above that. Nice fan and lighting right above the stove there, along with the exhaust. One more storage back here. Nice big refrigerator and freezer. No problem getting any type of drinks or food or popsicles, whatever you might need. Another thing I'd like to point out too before I forget, these newer models of Cherokee, might butcher this a little bit, but I believe these new floors are the bow floors, which are a very nice addition to these newer campers. Take a look in the bathroom. As first thing you see as I turn here, massive shower. Let's get up in there. I'm about 6 foot, and my head's not even quite in the skylights yet. Right in front of me, you got a little towel holder, medicine cabinet, more storage there for maybe toilet paper, magazines, whatever you might want. Toilet down below here. I'll sit down on that so you guys can kind of see it. Remember, about 6 feet, I have no problem. Again, guys, this is the new 2024 Alpha Wolf Touring Edition. If you guys want some more information, oh, right before I forget, you guys, this unit is just under, or sorry, is exactly at 5,000 pounds. No problem towing it. But like I was about to say, if you guys have any other questions, please call Bowling RV, ask for Zach, and I would love to answer anything you guys have. Thanks.